what kinds of cases might be more apt to be nuisance cases versus negligence cases? What do we got?
If you want to get an injunction, you would use nuisance.
Okay, so before we get...
I use the Socratic method,
focus is going to be
I guess because I think it's fun.
We're going to take the one-time deal, the one-shot deal, the one negligence situation. Let's use...
They are either participating or they know at any given minute they could become part of the process either voluntarily or involuntarily.
Keep the pesticide on the property where it was supposed to be. So what's the next step in a negligence case?
Prove that there was a breach of
A breach. Okay, so there's a duty of care, and then you have to show that there is a breach of the duty of care, and that breach of that duty of care.
The feedback that I've had from students over many, many years is that while it is difficult, while it is rigorous, and while for some it is intimidating, they've learned how to think as lawyers think, and since it's been effective, I stick with it.
What's proximate cause in one word?
foreseeability.
End of story, okay? For more, you have other places to look.
Student-faculty collaboration starts in the classroom. I'm there to help them learn.
Now there's another factor that's going on here that we didn't talk about directly with the sheep farm because we all assumed it wasn't.
You're always learning about them, why they came to law school, what they want to get out of law school, and how you can help them get to where they want to go.
Time with this hard manual labor for such little personal pleasure. How many of you have thrown hay bales? Okay, do you like that? I mean, is that fun? Well, you get a Petra?
I was going to say, as a hobby, it was fun. That's what I actually disagreed with the court in Nickerson. I thought you could definitely get pleasure from doing hard manual labor.
Yeah, my dad's an artist, and he lives off of his business.
Okay.
And I can't imagine loving anything as much as he does. So Nickerson probably would have said like 183 because he loves it so much.
If I can make the income tax class fun for my students, it's a good day.
So there's this aspect of balancing. I might be able to persuade the court that the utility of my conduct or activities on my property.
Students. I love being in front of students. I love the interaction that takes place between students and me as a faculty member.
The certified question, do the parties make here?
They stipulated that there were no damages.
So one thing, yeah, no, there's no actual damages. Now, since the party...
I think our students are bright, they're capable, hardworking, and I think by and large they're a lot of fun to be around.
Whether there's a trespass or not.
There could be a situation where you find out later on that...
They want to change the world. They really, really want to make a difference. And the way that they want to make that difference is through the use of law and policy.
It's a real high to watch the people develop. It's a real high to look at their careers and say, I had some hand in this. The education process, sure, it's all for them, but the whole experience, you know, I get quite a bit out of it myself. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
Hypothetical models I gave you, the Jacoby Schoenberg article.
If you look at Vermont Law School and you look at the faculty, we don't leave. We don't leave because it's a great place to be personally and professionally. I am looking forward to being here when I reach the ripe old age of 70 because that means I'll have been here for 40 years, teaching full-time.